A pastoral opportunity. It is a pastoral issue when a married couple fights over politics, when a church member posts vilifying posts on social media, when there are protests in the local community, when believers fall prey to misinformation, and when an immigrant family is divided. Pastors are uniquely positioned to disciple their congregants' engagement in faith and politics in a Christ-like way. When some choose to abdicate political discipleship to those outside of the church, there is a loss of pastoral care. Stauffer, himself a pastor, writes, "In the world of academia, it seems that the more radical or sensational the statement or publication, the better. Preachers, on the other hand, who seek to deal realistically with hot political topics, must do so carefully and responsibly, remembering their pastoral responsibilities. Those outside the church often lack the relational capital and personal insight needed to address the local body's political needs. The goal is not for pastors to convince others of their political positions, but to point their congregations to Christ and help them follow him. Political discipleship requires humility, wisdom, and prayerful dependency on the Holy Spirit. I hope this project helps too." Thank you for reading chapter 1 along with me. I'd be really curious to know what you think. Political discipleship is a very interesting issue. Please leave a comment below. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Doing that helps others find this resource as well. Hopefully it's valuable and honors Jesus. Thank you and God bless.